Hi, my name is Aaliyah Broussard. I am applying for Zen's Tea House. This is my official onboarding. I wouldn't say that I'm the best or the most knowledgeable necessarily at holistic healthcare, but I would like to be. I would like to know more about the process of tea. I'm a tea lover personally. My personal favorite tea is Earl Grey tea, also raspberry tea, mainly because of the benefits that I do know of those teas individually, and also because of the smells, the aromas. I just want to learn and know more. That's me personally in my own personality. I'm curious and I always want to improve myself.
I love that. If you're interested in joining the Zen's Tea House team, go to the website zenstea.com and go to the bottom of the page. It says jobs. Is that what you did?
Yes, that's exactly what I did.
Twice actually. She came in through the door and said, I want the job. And so we did the email, sent the information. The real takeaway, the real benefit, and this is probably true for the person behind the camera and the guy who's packing the tea right there, is the community. If you are interested in working in the health and wellness field, you have to desire to be healthy, to want to grow. If you're interested in joining the Zen's Tea House team, email me, Fernando at zenstea.com. But first, go to the website, zenstea.com, and click on the jobs page. Was that complicated?
No, pretty easy.
All right. Can't wait for you to apply, and I look forward to working with you.